Well, good day everybody. While I'm waiting for some bits to turn up from Germany, as well as for a regulator or something for the starter bench, I thought, well, keep on moving on. So decided to tackle the wiring loom. So this is how far I've got so far. As you know, I've done the mapping out of the body. So we're starting off, this is a mock-up of what the regulator would be with the numbers on it. There's a Bosch regulator, just as a heavy red line wire coming through the rear bulkhead around to the side of the motor of the body, and through, and I decided to put, here's the fuse box we're going to use. This is the mock-up fuse box for the wires. It's 12 here, we don't need all 12, but we've got a few extras just in case. So that will go there, and that's above the passenger wheel, and then from there we'll take the rest of the wiring off to the front. We've got an old wiring loom here that John lent me. I don't think I'll end up following it very much because this is different doing it this way. Normally this wiring loom here, you can see, would go up the tunnel. But because this one is going to run it up on the inside of the wall of the dart motor, dart body, because it'll be inside the curve of the body, and it'll be hidden by the door card. On the other side here, on the driver's side, well, these are all the wires I've got here ready to go. I've got a little junction box up here. The other side, that's the way to take the wires down to the back for the rear brake lights, etc. So we'll do that as a separate loom going down this side, down to the back. I might even take it up to the tunnel. That's another option for this one. Anyway, we'll get to that eventually. But I've got the heavy red wire here, which is the main power coming from the regulator, from the battery. So that's one of the first ones we can do. So we'll go for that. And obviously I'm using nails as just as terminals, or in this particular case here, just to route it around so they all go roughly the same distance. So that's where we're up to, so we'll get on with that. Well, good day everyone. Well, another day working on the wiring loom. Pretty well got it done now for under the body, well, the chassis section. So you can see we've got all the wires coming down. Regulator, passenger side brakes, number plate lights, passenger side rear brake lights, and parking lights, etc. And then we come around, so we've got these ones for this side coming down the tunnel, the other side are going down the side of the car. Come right around to the front, and here we got what will be the fuse box here, and also here. So coming into a switch. So yeah, we're getting there. Obviously a little bit more fiddling to do, and then we've got the dash. So I'll get the vinyl you saw me draw up earlier. I might mark it onto a bit of not mark it, sorry, don't listen to my rubbish. I will put it onto probably some ply, and then we can put that here in context and then start looking at the wiring for the dash. So anyway, we're making progress, so I'll wrap this one up, this video, and we'll proceed with another video. Oh, stay tuned and subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe, make your children subscribe. It is supposed to be good for me, but I don't see any of it. Anyway, for my limited number of exclusive, it would feel now, viewers, I hope you get some enjoyment out of these videos anyway. I enjoy making them, so at least one of us does enjoy them. All right, cheers for now.